Can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
Are you available right now? Are you busy?
Yeah.
I make videos on TikTok.
Okay.
Teaching English.
Okay.
And we don't have tipping
Okay.
in Taiwan.
Okay.
And so I have followers that have questions in the comment section.
Okay.
And then they ask me, what is the appropriate way to tip?
We always recommend 18 to 20%. Nothing is expected though. I mean, if you're not giving good service, then don't tip, you know. But so we make minimum wage as servers. Whenever you make tips, we make minimum wage.
Right.
So we don't make overtime, really get that many hours. So we always say 18 to 20%.
So minimum wage in California, which is...
I believe it's $15.50 that I make. I could be wrong, but I want to say it's $15.50.
So is it different in other states? Because I've been hearing other people getting paid like $2.30.
I don't know anything about that, but I know it varies by state, and I want to say it varies by county.
Oh.
Yeah, I could be wrong, but I want to say, at least for Orange County, I want to say we make $15.50.
So actually employers are paying you guys the right amount?
Correct. Yes.
But it's still... It's still difficult, right? Very difficult because you have to pay for so much, like rent and everything.
We get taxed differently. Yeah. So like for here, at least we walk home with cash every day. So paycheck wise, I don't really like every 2 weeks. I don't really get a paycheck, if you will, but I walk with money every day.
You mean like with the tip?
Correct.
Like getting paid, it's like every month. It's monthly.
It's bi-weekly, but they tax you on your tips.
They do?
If it's card, right? Or
whatever you claim. So we have to claim, we should be claiming everything we walk with, and you get taxed on your tips, correct? So they add it to, what does that be, your gross? Yeah.
Do you have to tip the busboy?
Yes, so we tip bar, we tip the bussers, and then we tip the food runners. So we tip about 3 different people. That varies by restaurant. I know some restaurants also, you don't walk with cash, they give you like a tip card, almost like a debit card. So there's that. It varies by restaurant, that I do know.
And then what do you do with the tip card? It's like a debit card?
Correct.
But then so not everywhere accept that?
At that I have no idea. Yeah, I have never...
Because you get cash.
Correct, yeah. I don't know exactly how that works. I know some people too, they put it on their paycheck.
I only have one question for you. So you know how everything is electronic right now? You're paying by credit card, you push the button.
Yes.
As servers, do you guys actually like seeing the cash on the table, or you don't?
It doesn't bother me because I claim 100% of what I make anyway. I know some people
prefer cash.
Correct. They don't claim their cash tips. They only claim their credit card tips.
Smart.
I claim everything because they audit us. I don't want to get caught.
Really?
The IRS audits the restaurant, so the restaurant audits us. If what we're claiming doesn't match up with our paperwork that we turn in at the end of the shift, then we do get in trouble.
You mean like they actually deduct everything? Do it automatically?
I don't claim that money. Correct. Yeah, so everything's done for us on our paper, but it doesn't include cash tips. Yeah, so that's only credit card that we keep track of on a paper, yes.
And then for the cash tips, you have to like put it in yourself?
Correct, technically. Technically, yes. A lot of people don't, but technically, yes, you have to claim it separately.
Right.
Okay. It's credit card is just a lot easier because it's less hassle for us to deal with cash, but it's, and like I said, every restaurant's different, the way that they... Yeah.
But I'm glad they pay you guys minimum wage.
Yeah, but I've heard about that $2, $3. I don't know where that is. At least for us, that's not the case. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that kind of answers like, because there's a mystery. Like people are like, oh, because they only get paid $2, $3. So people tipping are actually paying for the employers, and then they think it's nonsense.
I don't know. Like I said, personally, I have never experienced that, but we do get paid minimum wage. We get paid our normal $15.50.
Okay.
Yeah. Those $2, $3 that I have no idea.
All right. Thank you for being so helpful.
Yeah, absolutely. Of course. Are we doing okay?
We're good.
We're good.
Yes.
Yeah.